JSX JavaScript XML. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful features of React, JSX. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It allows us to write HTML-like syntax inside JavaScript. Let's see how this works. Before React, building UI elements with JavaScript meant writing a lot of code using the DOM, API, or create element. That approach was complex and hard to manage. JSX changes that. It lets you write your UI as if you are writing HTML directly in your JavaScript code. Here is a quick comparison. Without JSX, const element is equal to react.createElement h1 null hello world. With JSX, const element is equal to h1 hello world h1 close. Much simpler, right? JSX lets you describe how the UI should look in a way that feels more natural and readable. That's why it's used in almost every modern React project. Let's look at JSX in a component. Here is a basic example. Function greeting, open brace, return h2, welcome to React, h2 close. Here we return JSX from a functional component. This JSX will be converted into the real DOM element when rendered. You can also use JavaScript inside JSX, but only expressions, not full statements. To embed JavaScript, use curly braces like this. Const name is equal to Sumaya into double quotes. Const greeting is equal to h1 hello in the brace name h1 close. You can put variable, math, function calls, and even conditional expressions inside those braces. Now let's look at some important rules. Rule 1. Return only one parent element. In JSX, you must wrap everything in a single top-level element. This is correct and this is wrong one. If you don't want to use a div, you can use React fragment or shorthand. Rule 2. Use class name, not class. In JSX, the word class is reserved JavaScript keyword, so we use class name instead. Rule 3. Always close your tags. JSX is stricter than HTML. Self-closing tags must end with a slash. Rule 4. Use camel case for multi-word attributes. For example, input type is equal to text autofocus. To summarize, JSX lets you write HTML-like code in JavaScript. It makes your components more readable and structured. It supports JavaScript expressions inside braces. It follows strict syntax rules: one parent element, proper tag closing, and camel case attribute. JSX is not required in React, but it's used in nearly every React project because it improves readability and developer experience.